gonna be how I get this really cute and pretty. Sorry if y'all hear noise in the background, that's my cousin and my brothers. But this really cute and pretty jumbo braid ponytail, I really don't know what to call it. But I'm gonna show you how to do it, I'm gonna show you how to get it. And so pretty much, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, make sure you thumbs it up. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe. You don't do anything, subscribe, okay? And tell everybody you know that they know that they know about your girl. Put me on. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm doing is parting my hair. You know, you gotta part your hair first, try to get it as straight as possible. And then I'm gonna start combing my hair, because if your hair is a tangle, it has no tangles in it, the slicker your bun will be, the slicker the ponytail will be. Okay, so now that my hair is fully disentangled, I'm just gonna scratch my scalp a little bit. Okay, so right now I'm about to put my hair in a decoy ponytail. This is something I do so I don't have to hold my hair, because, you know, it makes it easier for me. So I'm putting my hair in a decoy ponytail for right now, and that'll just hold my hair together while I do everything else to it. So I'm taking this shiny gem, and I'm gonna take this, first I'm gonna take the shiny gem and scoop it out with this brush and put it on my hair. And then I'm also gonna use Got To Be glue. It's gonna look a little raggedy, don't ask me why. Got To Be glue is very messy, so that's why. Now, Got To Be glue is very optional. You do not have to use it, but I use it because it just makes sure my style lasts, and it gives me an extra hold, and it just solidifies the whole hairstyle. So now I'm going to comb out my ponytail, because I'm trying to put it in a bun. Try to get your bun as small as possible. I wasn't able to get mine that small because I have super thick hair, so it's kind of hard to get a small bun with it. So I'm going to try to get as small as I can. Camera, I braided this hair. I should have included what hair I was using, but it's just a pack of pre-stretched hair, and I braided off camera. And right now I don't have any flexi rods, so I'm taking these straws and I'm wrapping around the straw. Pretty much did the same thing as a flexi rod, and then I'm sealing the ends of them off with the rubber band. Okay, so I heated up this cup of hot water in the microwave for about 5 minutes, let it get real hot, and now I'm dipping the ends of the curly pieces that I want to be curly into the hot water, and then I'm gonna dry them off with the shirt and then let them air dry a little bit. Okay, and so now I'm just doing my edges, and I wanted to show you guys me doing them. So yeah. So right now all I'm doing is taking the straws off of the curly pieces and just drying them off and getting ready to put the ponytail onto my hair. Okay, so what I did was I took the rubber band part, I don't know if you can see, and I lashed it on my ponytail that goes on this, that I had it hanging on here with. So hopefully y'all can see. So my bun is so big that it's gonna be like puffy right here. It's gonna make me super duper mad. But you basically just put it over your bun. So after securing it down with some bobby pins, I'm going to start taking the curly pieces and start kind of manipulating them and moving them and tucking them in the places that I want them to go and how I want them to fall. And then I'm going to take a brush and kind of brush over the curls a little bit so they can look a little more prettier and, you know, soft. So yeah. I really did it. Y'all, this is my first time doing this. At first, I got frustrated and I was like, you know what? I can't do this because I tried to do it off camera and it was hard. But the girl did it. So this is what the bottom of the braid looks like, and the braid comes down to here, and it's long like I wanted it to be, and it's down my back, period. This is how it looks back here. Hopefully, you can't see your girl bun. Hopefully, I'm not lacking. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, I really just did that. So I'm gonna secure it a little bit more with some rubber bands. I don't know if I want to put it on the right side, the left side. Don't ever knock something till you try it. Take that from the queen, okay? I'm glad I did it. But if you guys like this video, make sure you do thumbs it up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on. And without further ado, peace out, pretty gang.